Hi, Dr. Q and Joey Lynn here from Star Nursery. Garden pests can come in many forms, and whether they're insects, diseases, or weeds, there are products that can help you control them.
For roses and flowers, use a good dual action product like BioAdvance 2-in-1 Systemic Rose and Flower Care. This product feeds your plants and protects against insects for up to 8 weeks.
For your fruit and vegetable gardens, only use products that are labeled for edibles. Like Endol, that is completely safe to use on all edibles and is even recommended for organic gardening. For those of you who prefer to use only all organic products, such as insecticidal soaps, horticulture oils, neem oil, and BT worm killer. These products do not have a long-lasting effect, so keep a close watch on flowers and vegetables for early signs of pests and treat them when they're present. For longer lasting results against nuisance pests like ants, earwigs, and roaches, use BioAdvance Home Pest Control or Ortho Home Defense to spray outside or inside your home.
Other pests many people ask about controlling are rabbits and birds. There are many products that are made to repel animal pests by producing an odor, taste, or sound that will discourage them. One example is Shake Away Critter Repellent granules that can be very effective for rabbits, squirrels, and other small critters. Another is Bird Be Gone Flash Tape.
For the most reliable protection, we recommend physical barriers, chicken wire, or garden fencing to protect your plants and crops. Weeds are another common pest this time of year. For rocked areas, driveways, or around taller shrubs and trees, use knockout or burnout to spray directly on the leaf surface of the weeds that you want to eliminate. Just be sure not to get any spray on leaves of plants that you want to protect. For lawn weeds, use a broad-leafed weed killer that will not harm your grass blades.
There are biological controls like ladybugs or praying mantis. They are beneficial insects that eat harmful insects like aphids. For more information on this topic, get free copies of our Star Notes 700-625 and number 550 at starnursery.com or on our free app.
Remember, we make house calls. Go into your local Star Nursery location or call 702-771-7827 to make an appointment. Star Nursery, your garden's partner for every bloomin' thing.
I'm Joey Lynn.
And I'm Dr. Q, and we'll see you again next week.